Today I am going to take you through layering products for a pigmentation skincare routine for oily, combination and dry skin. So first, I wash my face with salicylic acid cleansing complex. This product is suitable to be used twice a day. Once or twice a week, I also use this with powder blend for a flash of exfoliation. On the days that I don't use the powder blend, I use our 6% Mandelic tonic. You can use this either in the morning or in the evening, depending on the other active ingredients you may have. Mandelic tonic is the perfect go-to light exfoliator for all skin types, and it has the largest molecular size, allowing for slow penetration, which is perfect for skin of color, sensitive and dry skin. Once the serum has absorbed, after 5 to 10 minutes, you can now apply 10% ascorbic acid plus 3% ferulic acid. However, I would not recommend this for somebody who's new to active ingredients. If that's the case, I would recommend alternating between the two. Ascorbic acid is not a tyrosinase inhibitor, so it doesn't stop pigmentation from forming. However, it does brighten and even skin complexion. There is an ingredient in this product that gives it the brown or reddish color. This is not to be mistaken for oxidation, so everything is in order. The product cannot oxidize at all throughout its shelf life, as there is no water present in the formulation for oxidation to occur. Vitamin C has to be applied during the day to reap its full benefits, as vitamin C is a fantastic scavenger of free radicals which the skin is exposed to during the day, mainly from the sun and environmental triggers. You can also use this product at night. However, daytime use is non-negotiable. If you feel the need to apply a moisturizer, our 5% black ginseng plus ATP complex is your go-to. Some customers feel that after the application of 10% ascorbic acid and 3% ferulic acid, they don't necessarily feel the need to apply a moisturizer, and that is absolutely perfect. Last in the day routine is sunscreen. Sunscreen is your greatest investment in terms of preventing premature aging, sun damage, and further pigmentation. Remember, the number in the SPF is a ratio. SPF 15, 20, 30, and 50 all have the same physical protection within the burn time. Burn time is classified as the time you start damaging cells. It is important to know that every single skin has a different burn time. SPF 50 has a longer protection time until the burn time than SPF 30, for example. Now let's move on to our evening routine for pigmentation layering for oily, combination and dry skin. After cleansing and drying your face, apply 2% alpha-arbutin plus hyperbright complex. This product is loaded with tyrosinase inhibitors, which is the key type of ingredient you need when trying to combat epidermal pigmentation. Another key ingredient to any pigmentation routine is retinoids. It is key to remember that when applying retinoids, pigmentation typically gets darker before it gets lighter. The reason for this is retinoids increase cell turnover and expose the underlying pigmentation beneath the layers of the skin cells that have been exfoliated. Skin Functional has a few different types of retinoids. Remember, it is key to introduce retinoids slowly, with consistency and patience. You introduce retinoid slowly so that the skin can build tolerance and not have a retinoid response. Whichever retinoid you choose, the process is the same. My go-to is 0.1% retinaldehyde. The natural color of retinaldehyde is yellow, so don't worry when you see a yellow serum. Everything is in order. Lastly, finish off with your moisturizer. 5% black ginseng and ATP complex has got you covered. Remember that with pigmentation, always avoid hot baths or showers, saunas, humid areas, and excessive time on the beach. Even if you have the sunscreen on and you are sitting under the umbrella, the reflection from the sand and water can worsen pigmentation. Thank you for tuning in to Skintelligence, brought to you by Skin Functional. Please do not hesitate to reach out through our comment section, our social media platforms, and our customer service as well.